In today's video, we take a look at the Aer Capsule Pack, which is a unique carry-on backpack for city travel designed in collaboration with the Japanese capsule hotel group 9 Hours. We're also going to take a look at the new Aer Packing Cubes, which have been updated to better organize and store your travel gear. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ed from Rushfaster, and we do guides and walkthroughs bringing you better gear and better ways to carry. So if you like what you see, please consider subscribing and also hitting that little bell. Let's dive in and check out the Aer Capsule Pack and the new Aer Packing Cubes. We've done a whole bunch of video walkthrough on Aer products from their travel collection, the work collection, and their active collection. So if you want to check out any of those videos, head over to our channel and click the Aer playlist, or you can just click the link above right now. And if you want to check out any of the product pages of the items you see in this video, check out the links in the description below. Also, if you want to keep up to date with news happening in the carry world, then you can subscribe to our Rushfaster Carry Roundup newsletter, where we talk about that news and where we also give away some carry gear to our subscribers every month. So if you want to get in on that, be sure to be subscribed to the channel and also the newsletter. So taking a look at the Aer Capsule Pack, it's no doubt that it takes design cues from the 9 Hours sleeping pods. They have this nice big capsule opening here at the front, which is really unique. And overall, it has a nice sleek and minimalist style with minimal branding. In terms of branding, we've got a small brand tab here just on the side, and we've also got a little bit of branding on these zipper pulls. There's a little etched Aer logo on the end of the zipper pulls. As for materials, it's pretty standard Aer materials. We have a 1680 denier ballistic nylon Cordura. We've got YKK, AquaGuard zippers, and Duraflex hardware. The Aer Capsule Pack comes in two sizes, 35 litre and 40 litre, and it also comes in two colours, black and grey. Here we have the black colourway, which is in a 35 litre volume capacity. Okay, so we're going to go straight to the harness system, and here you can see that the shoulder straps are actually stowed away, and so you have the option of stowing away the shoulder straps if you want to use different carry modes. So there is a shoulder strap and also haul handles that we'll get into later. Here on the back panel we have a nice spacer mesh which will allow for great comfort and also breathability, and in the middle we have a nice channel for better airflow, but also in the middle we have this nylon strap which serves as a luggage pass-through. So if you are going traveling and you bring rolling luggage with you, you can slip through the handle of that rolling luggage and streamline your carry. So getting the shoulder straps out, simply just pull them out here, and then on the sides we also have the clips where the shoulder straps connect. So there's a nice little buckle clip here from Duraflex. Here's the other buckle. Clip that in. So these shoulder straps are pretty similar to what we've seen on most Aer carry backpacks, but we've also got the inclusion of ladder locks here, which just allow you to bring the shoulder straps closer to your shoulder, generating a better curve, a better fit on your body. The shoulder straps are thick, wide, and curved so that they better fit on the body ergonomically. We've got that same Aer mesh wicking on the back, that padding there, which will provide, again, comfort and breathability when you're carrying the bag. Over here we have a little D-ring which allows you to attach gear on externally, so you could put a carabiner, a hero clip, or you can also store sunglasses on here and just put through one of the legs of your sunglasses through there and carry it on the shoulder strap. In the middle we have an adjustable sternum strap which you can adjust on this nylon strap here, so you can push it down further if you want it to better fit on your sternum. If your sternum's a bit lower on your body and you carry the bag a bit higher, you can bring it down, you can adjust it along this nylon webbing. And we've just got a little bit of elastic webbing down here to take care of that strap slack. Further below we've just got simple Duraflex ladder locks here, but you can see on the bottom here there are these two tabs just at the bottom around the waist. And these two loops here are built for the separately sold waist belt that you can attach on this bag. If you prefer to have a waist belt for extra stability, extra comfort for those longer carries, you can get the separately sold waist belt and attach it onto those loops there. Storing the shoulder straps is very easy. It just goes behind there. You can put all that strap behind, and then you can tuck in these little buckles at the bottom here. So this bag supports three-way carry. We just looked at backpack carry with the shoulder straps. There is also a handle on the side which allows for briefcase mode, and it's a nice padded haul handle. It's nice and thick, very easy to grab, and works really well when you're just lugging the bag around. There's also a haul handle on the top here with that same thick padding, so you can also grab it from the top as well. The last carry mode is over the shoulder carry, and it works with this shoulder strap which comes with the bag. It has that same Aer mesh wicking, so it's nice and comfortable, nice and breathable, and you can see there's an Aer brand tab there, just nice and minimal. We've got simple Duraflex clips that clip onto these D-rings on the side. So it's very easy to attach and detach the shoulder strap when you need to, and you can carry this over the shoulder, or you can also carry it crossbody. And just a small little feature here, we have a little loop just on the back panel here, which is really useful for hanging the bag off any hooks. So if you're going to a bathroom, you can hang it off the hook on the bathroom door or anywhere in the place where you're staying. A little helpful loop here just to hang the bag off the ground. So just before we get into the compartments of the bag, we also have this side compartment here, which serves as a water bottle pocket. At the moment, it's nice and slim on the silhouette because it's not in use, but you can unzip it and it opens up the gusset and allows you to store a water bottle inside. So here I've got a Stanley 16-ounce travel tumbler. Fits in there quite well, nice and secure. If you wanted to, you could also store a small compact umbrella in there if it fits, but really useful pocket, and again can be stowed away when not in use. So taking a look at some of the compartments of the bag, first up we have this small quick access compartment here, which uses a YKK zipper, and it's got a nice Hyperline zipper garage there. It's got a nice fleece lining here, which will do well to protect any products from being scratched. So I've got inside my iPhone 12 with an OtterBox case. You can put other things in there like sunglasses, wireless earphones, things that you want quick access to, but things that you also want protected. Taking a look at this next compartment here, this is where you're storing some smaller bits and pieces. It's actually got decent space, so inside I've actually managed to fit an Aer slim pouch inside just for other cables, other tech, accessories, things like that. But here we've got a few slip pockets that allow you to store some other items that are good for travel, good for quick access. So behind here we have one big slip sleeve, which I've stored my Bellroy travel folio for my passport, things like that, tickets, any other important papers. On one of the slip pockets, I've got a pair of polarized sunglasses from Sunski. And on the other side, I've just got an Aer face mask, hand sanitizer, and a little torch from Olight. On the other side, we have a zippered mesh compartment here, which is good for just keeping secure smaller items. So I've got some Master and Dynamic MW08 truly wireless earphones. These are really good earphones, by the way. I've got a power bank from Nightcore, and as always, I've got my Nomad Kevlar charging cable. At the end here, you can see there's a little key leash, so I've attached my Orbit key to that. But this is just a really good organization compartment for just some of those smaller bits and pieces that you take with you when you're going traveling. At the very back, we have our laptop compartment, which also uses a YKK AquaGuard zipper. These YKK AquaGuard zippers are actually also kissing zippers. They lock up, so you can put a TSA approved lock in there to secure that compartment. You have that same locking zipper on the accessory compartment that we just looked at, and also the main compartment. They all have locking zippers. So opening this up, we have our laptop compartment. Here you can see a little brand patch here with the Aer logo and the 9 Hours logo. And this laptop compartment is nice and padded, nice and protected. It's got a fleece lining, so it'll protect your laptop from any scratches. It's padded as well, and it's also suspended from the base of the bag. So if you accidentally drop the bag on its base, that buffer at the bottom will absorb all the impact, protecting your laptop from any of those bumps. That's really useful. This laptop sleeve here is built to fit a 16-inch laptop, but if you carry a 17-inch laptop, you can actually store it inside this main area here. Just keep in mind that you might not have the same level of protection for the 17-inch laptop because it's not inside this laptop sleeve. Now, just behind that laptop sleeve, we have an elastic sleeve here, which is good for storing some documents, any papers, maybe even a tablet if you're carrying a tablet with you. But it's a really good place to store papers, books, things that you don't want to get crinkled up, and things that you want to be placed right next to your laptop. So now looking into the main compartment, we have our capsule shape opening here. It's a nice big opening on the side here. Again, we've got that kissing zipper that can be locked up. One thing to note about this zipper path, again, it uses YKK AquaGuard zippers, which is really good for water protection. But what it also does is it makes the zipper path a bit stiff, and especially because it's a curved zipper path, that can make opening this compartment a little bit difficult. You might often find that opening the zipper, it's a bit stiff, and so it is helpful that Aer have attached these counter pulls on the front face of the bag, so that when you're opening the compartment, when you're pulling on any of these zippers, you can hold on to the counter pulls just to give you a little bit of better grip and better control of the zippers. Now it does take some getting used to, and over time these zippers will soften up, but that's just something to keep in mind, that this zipper is actually quite stiff. So opening this duffel-like compartment, we have a big bucket space for you to store all your gear. So just in this main space, getting some things out, I've got a Patagonia Torrent Shell jacket, I've got an Arc'teryx covert cardigan fleece, just got a sweatshirt from Oliver's, a shirt from Western Rise, and a shirt from Taylor Stitch. And there's also a little dot kit here for some toiletries. This is the Aer Dot Kit 2. And as you can see, it's just one big empty space for you to stuff all your travel gear. Now over on this side, we have a mesh compartment, a pretty stiff mesh compartment. And inside there, I've got an Arc'teryx Mantis 2 sling, which is just for day trips. If you're at a location, you don't want to carry your travel bag with you, you can just bring a little sling bag to carry all your essentials. And I've just got a cap from Oliver's. So that's the main compartment there. Very simple, not much organization, just a little bit of separation here at the front. And this is where using packing cubes will be very useful. So here we've got the new packing cubes from Aer. There are 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. It's 6 litre, 10 litre, and 12 litres respectively. They feature a lightweight and durable material. It is an 80 denier ripstop nylon cordura. They use simple YKK zippers, and instead of the traditional zipper pulls, they've actually got Hyperlon zipper pulls here, which is a very nice touch. You can see the Aer branding, it's black on black here, so you can see a little bit of reflective detail on that Aer branding, nice and minimal. And on all of the packing cubes, we have a hole handle just at the top here, and then another Hyperlon tab here with Aer branding. So just looking at the packing cubes, this is the medium size for your reference. It has one main compartment, and it opens up with this flap here. It's very simple, just got a bunch of shirts in there. It's got a simple internal lining, and on the back here we've also got a second compartment which allows you to store dirty or used clothes. So similar to a lot of other packing cubes, that lining in the main compartment shares this same lining, and when you've got dirty clothes you can put them in this compartment to separate it from the other gear, and it shares that same dimension of space. Very smart and very useful way of storing your clothes and separating them at the same time. The medium size I found is good for shirts, t-shirts, things like that. The large size is good for outerwear, jackets, sweaters, and the small size is good for undergarments, socks, things like that. The small size can also fit a pair of shoes inside there, which is really handy. So you can use the small size as a shoe pouch. These are a pair of shoes from Monochrome, the label in Australia. Really nice minimal shoe made from Italian leather. This is a size 44 European, which is a 10.5 US size, and it seems to fit in there pretty well, almost perfectly in that compartment. So if you have a size 44 shoe or a size 10.5 shoe, it'll fit inside the small packing cube very nicely. So before we had clothes just inside this main compartment, but the Aer packing cubes are sized to fit Aer's travel bags really nicely. So here we have a small and a medium inside the main compartment, and we've also got the Aer Dot Kit 2 on the end there. The large packing cube will fit in here fine, and there's plenty of space here even with the Dot Kit there, so you've got a little bit of wiggle room, but a really useful system for storing your travel gear, and also nice minimal design. Okay, very quickly now, we're going to conduct our Rushfaster beer capacity test to see how many beers, how many tinny 6-packs can fit inside this main compartment. I think we'll have no problem fitting 4 tinny 6-packs in there. Yes, 4 tinny 6-packs fit inside this main compartment very easily with a little bit of room to spare on the ends. Well everyone, that is the Aer Capsule Pack, a really unique design and very functional 3-way carry options. There's a main compartment with a generous storage capacity and also protection for your laptop and other accessories, making it a really good option for urban travel. You can combine that with the new Aer Packing Cubes to also better organize and store your travel gear. If you're interested in getting any of these products, there are links in the description below. Using any of those links really helps support the work of the channel at no extra cost to you. And if you want to support us further, you can hit the like button, hit the bell, subscribe to the channel, and also subscribe to the Rushfaster Carry Roundup newsletter. But we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about the Aer Capsule Pack? What do you think about it compared to the Aer Flight Pack or the Aer Travel Pack? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know your thoughts about these new packing cubes. How do they fare with the other packing cubes in the market? We'd love to hear your thoughts on that. As always, if you want to see more product walkthroughs on carry gear from Aer, then check out some of the links on the screen at the end of this video. But for now, this has been the Aer Capsule Pack and the new Aer Packing Cubes. Take care, and we'll see you next time.